Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Updates guys. We've been having a very great month. We had a very wonderful October. October was the month we saw altcoins pumping to higher prices. October was a month we saw Bitcoin also pumping to higher prices. Great return back to the cryptocurrency market in October. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are we going to get to see that long-awaited alt season in the month of November? Right now, we're still in Bitcoin season. Right now, Bitcoin still trades above $34,000. But optimism has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. We're taking a look at new stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Are we finally going to get that Bitcoin spot ETF? Where is the cryptocurrency market heading to before the end of the year? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. We saw a good return back to the cryptocurrency market in the month of October. We saw Bitcoin getting to as high as $35,000. Altcoins starting to show signs of life. Altcoins are waiting for Bitcoin because, guys, after Bitcoin season, we'll get to see that long-awaited alt season. We usually see alt season once a year. We're yet to see in 2023. And alt season is where altcoins will be having that crazy pump to the moon. Right now, Bitcoin is currently outperforming altcoins. Over the last 90 days, Bitcoin has gone up by 21.7%. And for us to get alt season, 75% of the top 50 coins have to perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. And I believe we're getting there very soon, because if you go on a monthly time frame, you see a lot of altcoins are starting to catch up to Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin had a very great October, Bitcoin went up 24.3%. A lot of altcoins are in the green. And guys, if we see the altcoin market pumping the way Bitcoin did in November, we should expect to see alt season show. Worst case scenario, early December. And let's go back to the chart, guys. The altcoin market sits around $353 billion. The altcoin market took a huge hit to gobbling town in this bear market. We saw the altcoin market go from an all-time high of over $1 trillion. We dropped to as low as $291 billion in this bear market. But as Bitcoin has shown signs of life, as Bitcoin has started rallying to new yearly highs, we're waiting for the altcoin market to clear that $410 billion level. The altcoin market got to the $410 billion level last time was in April of 2023. Waiting for the altcoin market to catch up to Bitcoin, and that will require it to rally above the $450 billion level. Best case scenario, the altcoin market can rally to as high as $500 billion before the end of the year. But we need to cross that $450 billion level. Let's take a look at what the king of the market, Bitcoin, has been up to over the last few weeks. We've seen the king of the market, Bitcoin, go from as low as $16,000 where we started the year. We saw Bitcoin rallying right now to as high as $35,000. From the bottom, Bitcoin has gone up by more than 128%. So in the coming days and the coming weeks, I expect to see Bitcoin making a dash for that $40,000 level. That $40,000 level, guys, will be very important, because if we see Bitcoin rallying above $40,000, all hell might break loose in the cryptocurrency market, as FOMO, complete FOMO, will return back to the market. Right now, there's a lot of disbelief. Right now, there's a lot of market participants expecting us to continue dumping to gobbling town. We've been in the bear market for a very long time. A lot of market participants are still in their PTSD mode. But if we see Ethereum breaking above $2,000, guys, we see Ethereum doing exactly what Bitcoin has done and rallying to new yearly highs, you expect the altcoin market to follow Ethereum. Ethereum has been the king of the altcoin market. If you see Ethereum pumping to higher prices, expect to see the altcoin market having a very great time. And right now, Ethereum is still underperforming against Bitcoin. We have seen Bitcoin breaking to new yearly highs, breaking above $32,000, $33,000 where it got to in April. But Ethereum got to $2,100 in April. Right now, it's trading around $1,800. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I'll expect to see that big pump to the upside, Ethereum pumping to higher prices. I'll be paying attention to that $3,000 level. Ethereum can easily get to $3,000 before the end of the year. If we take a look at total crypto market cap, it's waiting to break to new all-time highs. You see Bitcoin pumping by 1%, 2%, 3%. As far as Bitcoin starts breaking to new highs now, expect to see the total crypto market cap breaking to new highs. Total crypto market cap sits at the $1.24 trillion level. We saw it get to the $1.24 trillion level way back in April of 2023. It tried to make an attempt to pump back to that level in July, but we got rejected. And right now, we're back to that $1.23 trillion level. Before the end of the year, I'll not be shocked to see the total crypto market cap head back to as high as $1.5 trillion. We have a lot of difficulties along the way, a lot of places we might get rejected, a lot of key levels where traders might be taking profit. The $1.62 trillion level is where I'm sure you should be watching out for in the coming days and in the coming weeks. What a very great October we had in the market. Be careful, guys. Liquidations have been rising. In the last 24 hours, over 52,000 traders have been liquidated. Total liquidation comes in at $96 million. The largest liquidation order happened on OKX. One trader was liquidated for $1.19 million. Let's take a look at Bitcoin returns in the month of October. October was a very, very great month. We knew October will see Bitcoin pumping to higher price. But how high did Bitcoin pump in October? Bitcoin went up by 28.5%. October has been a very, very bullish month for Bitcoin over the years. November is a 50-50 chance. Right now, Bitcoin is down 0.71% in the month of November, guys. Drop it out in the comment section. Where do you see Bitcoin ending the month of November? Let's take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. With the total crypto market cap sitting above $1 trillion and Bitcoin dominance sitting above 53%. Bitcoin still the king of the market. The last 7 days has seen Bitcoin have 0.81% increase. Bitcoin trades around the $34,000 region. In the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, the largest gainer in the last 7 days has been Solana. Solana currently trades around $38, guys. Earlier this year, we saw Solana trading around $10, but slowly but surely, Solana is going there, rallying up and trading for $38 right now. Cardano ADA still sitting at number 8, up 1.8% in the last 7 days. Dogecoin at number 9, up 1.3%. And we have Tron sneaking back to the top 10, taking out Toncoin. Tron is up 4.7% in the last 7 days. Let's take a look at the biggest gainers and the biggest losers in the cryptocurrency market over the last 7 days of October. Biggest losers and biggest gainers in the cryptocurrency market over the last 7 days include Airwave, one of the biggest gainers, up 30%. Torchain is up 27%. Solana is up 20%. Neo is up 20%. And we have Gala and Pepe also up 20%. In the loser section, we have Mina. Mina lost 17% of its value in the last 7 days. We have Stacks down 11%, Maker down 9%, Bitcoin SV down 6%, and Bitcoin Cash down 5%. Let's take a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Bitcoin spot ETF is yet to be approved. Sam Bankman-Fried's trial is almost ending. He took the stand to lay his case, but guys, I think he's making things worse. Layer 2s will continue to have diverse approach to scaling. That's what Veteran Butchering is saying. And Semina Microsoft partner to push AI adoption in industrial sector. SBFC spending FTX customer money was part of risk management. Interesting to see. The US government sold too soon. US government missed Bitcoin gains now totaling $6 billion because they sold earlier. The Sodl, the coding hold on for dear life. October sees comparative law in crypto crimes with losses of $32 million. Tether attestation shows cash and cash equivalent of 86% as loan decline. Cycle to phase out customer accounts, but business and mint will remain. Guys, do you think CBDCs are coming anytime soon? Because right now, we're seeing all the indications that the government wants to take over the cryptocurrency market. Do you think they're going to launch CBDCs anytime soon? Are we going to get a Bitcoin spot ETF? It has been in the news of late. BitGet Flowkey team accused each other of manipulation after token listing. And Bitcoin future data highlights investors' bullish view. But there's a catch. What's the catch? Let's take a look at what the catch is. GEO finds controversial SEC guidance is subjected to congressional oversight. Guys, right now, the market is pumping, and any news we see, people perceive them as bullish news. When the market is dumping, any news people see, we perceive them as bearish news. Bitcoin futures data highlights investors' bullish views. The stars are lining up for Bitcoin price, but a few major price threats remains in play. What are those threats? The US budget issue sparks Bitcoin institutional hope, and that threat is not everything's rose for Bitcoin. Exchanges risks loom. We've seen a lot of people run to centralized exchanges in the last few months. Do you think we're going to see a lot of new retail investors that come to the space? Just avoid exchanges in total. CFTC pays whistleblowers $16 million this year for mostly crypto tips. So a lot of the crypto scammers, you see them getting caught. Somebody snitched to the SEC and those guys are getting paid. Oyster Protocol founders jailed 4 years for $5.5 million, tax evasion, and Invesco Galaxy Spot ETF joins BlackRock on DTCC site. Invesco Galaxy Bitcoin ETF now appears on the clearinghouse site but doesn't indicate an impending approval. We have been getting toyed with this CAFDC news. We've been getting toyed with spot Bitcoin spot ETF news. Are we going to get it or not? Only time will tell. But what the market is telling us is that Bitcoin dominance might be topping very, very soon. We might see the altcoin market having a great time over the next few weeks. We might see the altcoin market starts pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin dominance got to 54%. If we see Bitcoin dominance start losing the 53% region, dropping to 52%, guys, we might see craziness in the altcoin market. We might see what we call alt season. Alt season is a wonder to behold. You want to see how crazy altcoins can move in alt season, all you have to do is buy the dip, buy when the market is low, and when we start pumping, you will be very astonished. Thousands of percentages pumps these altcoins can get in a very short period of time. Alt season usually lasts 30 days, so guys, remember to take some profits off the table. If you see Bitcoin dominance dumping, we see Bitcoin pumping, we see the altcoin market pumping but outperforming Bitcoin, we might be getting to the end of the pump. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see the market heading to in the month of November? How was the month of October for your portfolio? Are you ready for that long-awaited alt season before the end of the year? Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.